the enigma of the waterwheel plant, an aquatic predator in a world of mystery. Beneath the glassy, unbroken surface of uncharted freshwater realms drifts an unassuming yet haunting predator, the waterwheel plant, Aldrovanda vesiculosa. To the untrained eye, it may seem like just another floating piece of vegetation, but look closer, and you uncover a master of deception and precision. This marvel of nature does not merely survive, it hunts. Its seemingly delicate form conceals an arsenal of snapping traps, each waiting with eerie patience to ensnare its prey with a precision that borders on supernatural. These underwater jaws, as they are aptly called, snap shut in a fraction of a second, a movement so swift and decisive it defies the plant's otherwise tranquil appearance. Its mechanism bears a chilling resemblance to the Venus Flytrap, yet here it unfolds in an even stranger world, the quiet, submerged universe of freshwater ecosystems. Its prey? Tiny, unsuspecting aquatic creatures navigating an underwater labyrinth, unaware that a hidden predator waits just beneath the surface. This is no ordinary plant. It is a relic of forgotten wetland, thriving in serene yet haunting habitats under a veil of water. Imagine stepping into the edge of an untouched lake in the twilight hours. The mist rolls across the surface, and an unexplainable sense of intrigue draws you closer. Within the depths, the waterwheel plant drifts, feeding in a silent ballet of predatory precision. It doesn't need roots. It doesn't need soil. Instead, it thrives like an otherworldly entity, floating gracefully, its translucent green jaws tempting those brave enough to ponder what else might coexist in these shadowed waters. To witness it is to cross into a portal of nature's darker designs, a reminder that beneath the surface, life becomes stranger and far more mysterious than it seems. For those who hold a love of mystery close to their hearts, the waterwheel plant evokes visions of forgotten worlds. Imagine a mythical lake veiled in perpetual mist, untouched and unseen by all but the most daring explorers. This is the kind of place where the waterwheel plant thrives, an aquatic haven that blurs the line between reality and fantasy. The plant's existence feels like a key to a dwindling world of secrets. What other predators lurk unseen in its labyrinthine waters? Legends whisper of cursed lakes filled with flora that could almost be alive in ways beyond the natural world. Picture this. A lost traveler stumbles upon a hidden lake in the heart of an ancient forest. The sun barely filters through the tall, haunting trees, and the air carries a damp, earthy chill. As they kneel to peer into the water's depths, they notice strange plants drifting just below the surface. Unmoving at first glance, these delicate forms suddenly quiver and trap an unwary water flea. A trap so fast it seems otherworldly. The traveler shivers. What they see before them defies everything they thought they knew about plants. Are these entities mere creatures of survival, or is something more sinister hiding in their graceful movements? This is the type of fantasy the waterwheel plant inspires, a brush with the unknown and a hint of danger that awakens the imagination. The lingering allure of the waterwheel plant lies not just in its carnivorous adaptation, but in the profound silence with which it operates. It gives no warning. It holds no malice. Yet it thrives purely on the act of luring, trapping, and feeding, like a tiny predator with the patience of eternity. For fantasy lovers and mystery enthusiasts alike, this plant can be the centerpiece of vivid inspiration. Envision it in a story as a guardian of a cursed lake, punishing intruders with a sentience that seems unnervingly human. The waterwheel plant invites us to explore realms that may or may not exist, compelling us to wonder if we too are prey in a much larger, incomprehensible system. In a world filled with noise and certainty, the waterwheel plant remains a quiet enigma, thriving in the liminal spaces between light and shadow, knowledge and imagination. For those seeking an escape into whispered legends and shadowed mysteries, this plant is a living fable that reminds us of the beauty, the danger, and the profound unknown lying just beneath the surface of reality. Step closer to its story, and you may find yourself caught, like its prey, in the snapping jaws of its tantalizing intrigue.